Ito, gusto ko to. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do this one. I like this song. Wala nyo ang title. Ang ganda to, pakinggan yung music, ang lyrics nito. Ngayon, ang daigdig mo, tamaan magkulay. Ngayon, gugulin mo ng tapat mahusay. Bawat saglit at sandali, magsikap ka't magpunyagi, maging aral bawat mali. Ngayon, bago ito ay maging kahapon. Napakaganda ng message ito, guys. Ang pagkakataon, sana'y huwag itapon. Ikaw, tulad ko rin, ay may dapit hapon. Pagkakay mapalingon, salaga ang bawat ngayon, nasayang lang na panahon. Ituring mong kahapoy waring panaginip lang, ang bukas pangitain, ang ganda'y sa isip lang. Kung bawat ngayon mo sa'yo ay laging sulit lang, kay ganda ng buhay. Ngayon, ganda ng message, no? Now, do it now before it becomes yesterday. Sa buhay mong hirap, mahigpit man ang kapit, may bukas na sa'yo, di na rin sasabi. Ngunit kung bawat ngayon dakila mo nagamit, very nice lyrics, masasabi mong kahit na ang bukas di sumapit pa, ang naabot mo'y langit na. Ituring mong kahapoy waring panaginip lang, ang bukas pangitain, ang ganda'y sa isip lang. Kung bawat ngayon mo sa'yo ay laging sulit lang, kay ganda ng buhay. Bukas mo'y matibay, dahil ang sandigay ngayon. Ituring man kahapoy waring panaginip lang, ang bukas, pangitain ang ganda'y sa isip lang. Kung bawat ngayon mo sa'yo ay laging sulit lang, kay ganda ng buhay, bukas mo'y matibay, dahil ang sandigay ngayon. Ang ganda ng lyrics nito, guys, kung naiintindihan nyo lang. Ay, Kuya Bali! Sino pa yung isa? Hindi ko mabasa. Simply Vanna. Ay, si Vanna! Lilibang lang tayo, guys. Ang ganda ng lyrics na yun, guys. Ngayon, ang title nun. Naubos yung boses ng kaka-concert kina Bernadette. O, tamo, namamaos pa. Saan darating ang umaga? Tingnan natin. Puro Tagalog kakantayin ka ngayon. Sawan-sawa na ako sa English. Bakit pa pinagtagpo? Ano ba ito? Ano nga? Ayo, tayo sa ating buhay. Ang araw na kay ganda, ba't nang lumisan ka, ay nagdilim ang kulay. Ang umagay nagtampo, ano't kasama mo, luha ang tanging iiwan. Kung siya may magpapalit, ako'y nananapit kung kailan at saan. Darating ba siyang kasama ka? Masasalubong man lang ba kita? Subalit ako'y mag-alala kung ako ay mahal mo ba? Kahit pa anong hadlang, mananatili ka mahal sa aking tunay. May umaga man pala, kung di ka niya dala, ito'y walang buhay. Subalit ako'y mag-alala kung ako ay mahal mo ba? Kahit pa anong hadlang, mananatili ka mahal sa aking tunay. May umaga man pala, kung di ka niya dala, ito'y walang buhay. Ano daw, Sharon? Ako, ano ba yan? Pambansang awit? Pambansang awit na naman. Hi, Don! Sige na, dali. Diyan na. So, next. Puro Tagalog. Kamusta ka?
Tandang-tanda ko pa habang ako'y papalayo, tinitingnan kita hanggang wala ka na. Kumusta ka? May pangkislap ang iyong mata. Halata ng daigdig ngayon ay kay saya. Siguro ay nagmamahal ka na ng totoo. Siya ba'y katulad ko kung tayong dalawa? O kay tagal na ako'y nag-isip at naghintay, makita ka, mayakap ka, muli pang makan. Ngunit ngayong nangyari na, ako ay nabutan. Walang masabi kundi kamusta ka?
Hello, Vicky! I miss you, Coach. Kailan ulit ang F2F? Malalaman mo, inaayos ko pa.
Tandang-tanda ko pa habang ako'y papalayo, tinitingnan kita hanggang wala ka na. Kumusta ka? Ano bang dapat sabihin pa? Ngiti ko'y malakas na naman kumakaba. Dapat kayang malaman mong hindi nagbabago. Hanggang ngayon sinta, mahal pa rin kita. O kay tagal na ako'y nag-isip at naghintay, makita ka, mayakap ka, muli pa mahal. Ngunit ngayong nangyari na, ako ay nakutan. Walang masabi kundi kamusta ka? O kay tagal na ako'y nag-isip at naghintay, makita ka, mayakap ka, muli pang mahal. Ngunit ngayong nangyari na, ako ay nakutan.
Ano daw yan? Oh my goodness, meron tayong ano? May pumasok. Ang sabi niya, I'm ready. Teka. Meron na isang pumasok guys, so nag-message. Mamaya, isa na lang. Isa na lang. Ako, ano sinabi niya? I'm ready, I'm paid. Ano sabi? Ang ganda naman ng business natin talaga, no guys? Kumakanta ka lang, kung nakakagawa ka ng pera, saan ka pa? Saan ka pa? Gusto niyo naghahanap tayo ng ano? Hanap tayo ng ano? Sharon. Wala namang Sharon dito. Sharon Caneta. Ay, naku. Lalakan. Let me try again. Naku, ba't nag-English yan? Okay, to. Hindi lang siya Sharon. Si Dane. Naging English. Ano sabi daw? Oh my God, pakanta-kanta lang. Sinabi mo. You know what? Silitin ko kaya. Kaya na baka kayo mawala. Babalitaan ko na lang kayo mamaya. Message eh. Alam mo, kakaibigan kayo ng high school eh.
Dr. Box, there were many failed attempts to
Isa na lang,
displace
dali.
you. I retouched all my
Kahain na ako, di ba kami
vitamins,
kumakain?
and has even affected my health. I trusted you because you specialize in dental implants. You created a permanent solution and
Dali naman.
top hits
Sino pa
karaoke.
nandyan? Vicky, hello! Ay, naku, biglang ayan na. Ayan na. Hulaan nyo, ano yan? I think that's my Baby Love. Baby Love is my last song. Because, darating si Tito Randy. Sabi ko na nga pa si Baby Love ko yan eh. Hi, Gemma Love. Ay, isang Tagalog tonight.
When times get rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't
daw yan? Hi, Mom. Yes.
Be strong. Hold on.
Favorite daw ni Kuya Buddy.
For my love will keep you warm.
Para sa ito, Kuya Buddy.
Mag-go live ka na. Through the cold, distant night. Through the rain. Through the storm. When friends turn their backs on you. And you're so helpless. You don't know what to do. I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through.
Glad to catch the last song. Yes.
When tears are in your eyes and you feel like you wanna cry, just reach out. I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on, have faith in your heart. For my love will see you through. My love will see you through. When you reach for the star, when you cross the deepest sea, when you climb the highest hill, my love will always be with you in everything you do, in every step you make, in every road you take. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams, for my love will see you through.
Ayun na po, mga kaibigan. Natapos na ang aking konsyerto. Kasi nandito na si Sir Chief. Bukas na ulit Ang ganda pa naman I'll face tomorrow. Love without time. Ano pa, isang hirit pa kaya? Isang hirit pa. Dali, isa na lang talaga. Ako, sabihin ng anak ko, good thing I catch the last song. Ay, convert na! Go, go, go! Oo. Nako, coach. Sige na, bye-bye. So I can see already. Ano yung message. Sabi niya, Jenny, ready na ako. Ay, ano ba yan? Okay, guys. Patay na muna natin ito kasi nag-echo. So, guys! Kumanta lang. Nagkakanegosyo na. Saan ka pa? So, digital online business, guys. Before I hang up, I just want to let you know that I have a business that I do on the side. Ako po isang retired na tao na. Well, actually, don't call it retire. It's a job quitter. 31 years career in the clinical laboratory scientist. My name is Jennifer. I'm Coach Jenny. I'm one of the coaches here in our community. And being here 2.5 years, guys, I'm experiencing the time freedom. So, napakaganda ng business because I don't do daily grind anymore. I am enjoying my time freedom. I wake up anytime I want. And in fact, 11 months just doing the business, I was able to quit my profession in the laboratory. After 17 months, like in the business, a year and 5 months, I already was able to replace my income in the lab. So now, earning 5 digits every single month. And if I can do it, they can do it, you can do it. So guys, I just wanted you to come on and check the website. That's where you're gonna learn how to run a digital business. www.jenny, JENNIE, digitalworld.com. Manood po, ilagay ang pangalan, manood ng complimentary webinar with your email. And then from there, you wanted to know what to do, where to go, at manood po kayo ng aming pre-coaching video so you know the details of the business, what is the blueprint of the business. And then from there, if you think it's not for you, you can actually refund it within 30 days. So, step 3 naman, if you wanted to go forward, learn the business, and you think marami kang gustong alamin, you want to know the answers to your questions, clarifications, you have to talk to a coach like me. So, we can answer everything that you need to know and also talk about the different options on how you can start your own business. So, yun lang po. Jennifer po ang pangalan ko, and I used to be a clinical laboratory scientist. I'm enjoying the time freedom. Ito po, pakanta-kanta. Let me check the message. So, there's always like messages here and there on the phone. As long as you have your Wi-Fi connection, your phone, your laptop, you can bring your business anywhere. So, this is my day. Natapos na. Nag-cook, nagpahinga, kumanta. Pagkatapos kumanta, may negosyo. Saan ka pa? Okay guys, so I'll see you again in my next live. Thank you for watching and staying with me. Sana na-enjoy kayo sa aking pakanta-kanta. Thank you and see you again. Good night!